How do you reuse a visual mode selection? Often when editing code, I'll select a block in visual mode and do a search and replace over the block. After I make the changes, however, it leaves visual mode. How do you do a new find and replace over the same selection?
You may reselect the last selected visual area with GV.
GV is definitely the fastest method. Use last selection, but if you want a stable saved selection region, or several, you can always create macros. Let's say I want to store a selection of my current method, which goes from lines 25 to 35. I can create a macro that selects the whole method by typing I can then get that selection back by typing add a, run macro in register A. Repeat with any register, lines, or sections of lines, that you wish. Obviously if you make changes to the file the selection may change as well, so you may want to consider using marks instead of hard-coding line numbers.
GV works great for recovering the last selection. But one sometimes needs a bit more. If you ever needed more persistent record, have a look at this plugin we are currently working on the GitHub. Visual Marks allows you to save and restore visually selected areas just like you save and mark specific locations in your files with them. After installing, and with the default options, use in visual mode to save your current selection to mark A, then in normal mode to get back to this selection.
Then remembers the last selection. If you enter, in visual mode it will autofill, for you so you can continue entering command, for example. If you want to execute another command on the same visual selection, you can simply bring up the old one from the history and edit it. Another way to tell the replace command and other commands which support match pattern to use the previous selection is by adding \% to the pattern, for example. For more info, please see help \%v. To reselect the previous selection, use GV.
If you want to support the channel,